Day in, day out, I bring you guys some of the coolest modded sleds. I put you guys on the seat of a 2017 Mountain Cat before it's even released. I go out and try the 2018s for the first time with the rest of my crew. I bring you guys to some of the most premium mountain riding in the world. And I even show you how to get more power out of your mountain sled and just make sure that it is everything that it possibly can be. And I bring you all that, and day after day it's the same thing. Where's the Phazer? Are you taking the Phazer out? Is the Phazer going to Revelstoke? All right, you guys want to take the Phazer? Let's take the Phazer out. Benjamin, it's snowing today.
It's snowing.
What a perfect day to try out some new reeds. Take the Phazer out and go for a local rip today.
Local.
Maybe even have enough
competing
snow.
with the Scandics and the John Deere 440s today.
These guys out here know how to side hill. We saw some in the ditch.
Anyways,
I'm trying to make a video over here. No big deal. I don't know what else to talk about. I've talked this thing to death already. It needs lower gearing. It needs, the handlebars need trimmed on it. What else? What else do I talk about? I feel like I've talked about this thing all the time, and every time I say I'm not going to do any more work on it, I end up putting new skis on it or something like that.
So we've decided this is going to be our next giveaway.
No, hold on.
No, that's not how this goes.
No, we're not. Maybe one day. We're not ready to give away the Phazer just yet. Maybe a little re-gearing. Still screwing with the gearing on it. Still not happy with it. Can't get that track speed I need. It's not a mountain machine. Stop asking if it's going to go to Revelstoke. It's not going to Revelstoke.
vintage days.
Maybe vintage days. Yeah. You're going to have a whole new appreciation for that thing after you ride this thing. Oh, yeah. There you go. There you go.
He's having such a good time. He was totally trading in that cat for the Phazer.
You killed it. Weighs like 2,000 pounds. You can't even stand on it. The rails kind of suck, don't they? It takes it out of you.
You're gonna trade her in, I can tell. You really like this thing.
We make this thing sound like it's an awesome machine, and then we gotta ride it.
We should have a King Phazer demo day. Anyone that wants to come ride it can come out and have a whirl on this thing.
See how much you like it.
And then we can talk about how hard it is to ride, not how cool it is. I'm beat.
That was just a fucking, that was a 90-second ride.
I can't even, I'm just falling off and going over the other side and fucking doing a couple whatevers.
It made a lot of noise. Something went bad. Let's find out what it was. Let's see. Ben's here to save me.
What happened?
A lot of noise.
Uh-oh. Belt?
Yeah, I think so. I've yet to help open her up.
Oh, there we go.
What the fuck is that?
How do I even open this thing up?
I've been in here a million times. Oh, I gotta get that fucking pin out. I don't need an 8mm wrench here yet. We'll see. Oh boy.
Spaghetti?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. If I can get this pin out, sneak it by the cut guard. Oh yeah, here it comes. There it is.
That looks nice.
Looks good, eh?
Jammed in the secondary there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
She's in there. Well, Benjamin, what a good time to get a phone call. Do. Yeah, that's, you know what? I didn't have much faith in this belt to begin with, but that's the end of her.
And you got a spare?
Oh, hell no.
I didn't think so for some reason.
Spare belts? Who carries that bullshit?
Try and spread the secondary.
I don't know how
Oh, that's hot.
It's kind of hot.
That's warm, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll just give that a few.
That could have been part of why I'm freaking blew the belt. Holding her wide open on the lake.
Oh, here we go.
Ew. Ow! That's probably part of why. Freaking, there's still too much heat going on in here.
Too much heat in the secondary.
Ow!
I think heat's primary side.
I think freaking there's just too much heat in here still. I think that's what it is. All right. Well, we tow. I guess it could still be getting some snow ingestion through there too. There's a couple places snow can get in. There's a little bit of belt hanging out the bottom. Not a problem. Go ahead and take that out. Throw her back in there where she belongs. Well, we thought this video was done, but I guess it's not. We still got to tow home.
We got stuff to talk about, boys.
Okay. Well, yeah, I guess when I said I was running out of things to talk about, I got more things to talk about now. We got to figure out how to get some more heat out of there. It's still getting too hot in there. Even though, I guess I was holding her wide open on the lake. But, yeah, still. Shouldn't have blown. Alright, well, let's get her home. Here he comes. He's coming to rescue me.
Need help?
You came to save me? I need a hero. What do you think of that?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, me. So remember when we were up on Frisbee and Sean hit that tree?
Yeah.
So, and that guy came up and asked if this was going to be on the YouTube channel tonight?
Yeah, that was sale, but yeah.
Or a sale, yeah.
Yeah.
And he asked if we were going to be on the YouTube channel tonight, and we didn't really think much of it. That guy knew who we were. because he commented on that video saying it was cool seeing that Polaris fly over the hill. No one on it.
He actually commented.
He commented on our video, and I can't remember your name, but if you see us next time and you know who we are, let us know, because I thought we had the camera rolling. I just thought you were whoever. So
Show us some cool spots next time.
show us some cool spots. We
I
know
don't
lots
know.
of cool spots, but we always want to know more cool spots.
I mean, it looks like the Night Rider, you know? It's dope. What else do you want to say?
Thanks everybody for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see everyone in the next one. Holy, look at all the snowmobiles. You got four of them. Benjamin, the moment the sleds get back from the mountains, they're in here for repairs.
This ice came from a long way away.
That's import.
Grade A Revelstoke snow.